everyone, in this tutorial, we will learn how to create a text glow effect in CapCut PC. First, go to the Text tab and add default text to the timeline. Next, head to the Effects tab and search for glow. Drag glow to above the text. Set the glow to 40 and the size to 30. Select both the text and the glow effect, then right-click to create a compound clip. This action will combine the text and the glow effect into one group. Then, double-click the compound clip. Within the compound clip, you have the flexibility to change the font to your liking. Additionally, you can adjust the color, and the glow effect will automatically adapt to the color you choose. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.